Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad SYAHMI. I want to present 4 introduction. This accident delete blind spot. A sexual accident occurs when the side of two bicycles traveling in the same direction make contact with each other. The sexual accident can happen including driver distraction, fail to signal, driving too fast, equipment weather, and blind spot. Next, the rear-end accident occurs when the front of one bicycle collides with the rear of another bicycle. Rear-end accident can happen for a variety of reasons, including tailgating, district driving, inattention, bad weather, and mechanical problems. Next, the parking lot accident are common, can happen for a variety of a reason such as backing up without looking speeding, district driving, poor visibility, and improper parking. What is blind spot? A blind spot in a bicycle refers to an area around the bicycle that is not directly visible to driver through the rear view mirror or side mirror. It is a zone where other bicycle, object, or pedestrian may be present but cannot be easily seen by the driver without external check. Application on blind spot of bicycle. Number 1, blind spot mirror. Number 2, blind spot camera. Number 3, blind spot warning system. Number 4, curb-up display. Number 5, advanced driver assistance system, ADAS.
Problem statement. The accident in the lane changing or changing direction involving vehicle in the roadway. Various vehicles have a difference in size and blind spot region. Objective. To develop a blind spot detection system device according to the information gathered from the automotive technology industry. To use a software called Tinkercad to create and simulate blind spot detection system devices. To study the blind spot detection system region in terms of electronics and component of the devices. Methodology. Background research, exploration on how the system works and effectiveness to tackle situation awareness and data collection capabilities. Design development. Design development process divided into 3 primary parts, which are component design, concept design, and coding. Concept design, simple and flexible, are the target for this product design concept, where simple refers to easy installation, disassemble, and any maintenance purposes, while flexible stands for the compatibility of the system, blind spot system, to any other vehicles that require it. Component design. To identify the component needed for the blind spot system. And coding. Coding tells a machine which action to perform and how to complete tasks. And by completing these 3 primary tasks, we can proceed to the next step, which is testing. And based on the testing, we can get the result of the performance of the blind spot detection system.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NABIL and I will explain about the Tinkercad by Autodesk. It's a program that making 3D models simpler. It also has a tool for modeling circuit design, and it can build proper circuit structure and execute simulation. User can use Tinkercad via browser on a computer or computable mobile device such as handphone. In the process, Tinkercad will produce input in the form of physical location and object detection. At the second block, these 2 parameters will be entered into the blind spot physical detection method. The program will use the blind spot configuration technique to determine how far away the car is from the semi-trailer body. The figure can be used to determine whenever a car is likely to enter a semi-trailer blind spot at designated length. The speaker will play a warning and the LED will flash. For the Arduino Uno RT microcontroller, it acts as a blind spot detection device. It processes all the input and interpret it into output indicator that able to detect object in or pass through blind spot region and give warning to vehicle driver. Next, for ultrasonic sensor, it transmit wave to reflect it back, and it's from a new object in its range to receive information in terms of waveform. In case of this project, its role is to detect any object from its fixed position of no zone area to receive initial data for detection of any vehicle and measure the length in between. It can detect object within a range of 2 cm, 0.79 inches to 400 cm, which is 157.48 inches, or 4 meters, 13.12 feet. The reason is because it is cost effective. Next, for the schematic diagram, you can see from the left. We start from the left is we use of resistor, and next the LED diode, Arduino in the middle. Right side is sensor, the buzzer and LED, and with resistor. Next slide will be Arif Lukman.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arif Lukman BMMA SABRI, and I will continue on our result on this project. So the result gathered from the simulation using Tinkercad, we seen that the indicator color displayed is 3, which is red, green and yellow. And starting from the red, range around 4.4 cm until 100.9 cm, included the buzzer sound. And then the green is range around 101 cm until 234.4 cm. And then continue to the last indicator, which is the yellow one, which detect it in range around 234.4 cm until 335.5 cm. So however, if it's out of range, meaning that more than 335.5 cm above the range of the yellow, it will not display any range color in the LED indicator. So we look at the graph response here. So I have highlighted the yellow region, green region and red region on the graph distance versus time. So the legend here indicates the range of each LED indicator turned on. So to conclude, the color display on LED indicator is based on the range. So the distance X, yellow will display above 235 cm, the green one will display around 101 until 235 cm, and the red one is below than 101 cm. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Greetings, sir. My name is Dylan Chan, and I will start explaining for my part in discussion. So, what happened if an object or vehicle passed by the detection ray? The indicator will respond to according to object distance with detection device. Here's a flowchart how the indicator responds. And discuss the detection device behavior when vehicle is in static or dynamic. As static, there is no much change on the device performance as the vehicle in dynamic. the detection device will respond to distance change between vehicles. Another question, can the device achieve the optimum time or position of the sensor data so that the driver can gain initial warning to react when doing a lane changing? The answer is yes. The device shall be able to distinguish and determine the object speed. Besides, to determine whether that vehicle is too fast for the user to change lane, and it will alert the user. And to determine position of the detection device shall be able to cover most direction. Hence, the device feels able to determine other vehicle position and distance from our direction in order to provide information to user so he or she can determine suitable moment to change lanes. In conclusion, in this assignment, we have used the Tinkercad by Autodesk software that use Arduino R3 as a microcontroller to create our project on blind spot detection system. We are aware that blind spot detection technology is important in order to determine the unseen region of vehicle while driving in keeping a safe environment. To conclude, technologies is important as an important aspect of our work in ensuring everyone's comfort and safety. That's our explanation. Thank you.